Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel. This is Marella Vie. For today's video, we will be doing an upcycle project from an old t-shirt. I know we have lots of t-shirts lying around in our wardrobe and we don't use them anymore. So for this video, we will be doing something new out of them. So if you want to learn something more, just keep on watching.